The stock market is one of the most powerful wealth-building machines ever created. It has produced trillion-dollar companies, built fortunes, crashed economies, and confused millions of people who still think it's just fancy gambling with suits and spreadsheets. But the basic idea is surprisingly simple. A stock is a tiny piece of ownership in a company. When you buy one share, you own a small slice of that business. Not enough to boss the CEO around, but technically, yes, you're part owner. Companies sell these shares to raise money. Instead of borrowing from banks, they invite the public to invest in their growth. Investors give the company money today, hoping the company becomes more valuable tomorrow. That's where the stock market comes in. It's essentially a giant marketplace where people buy and sell these ownership pieces every second. And prices move constantly. If investors believe a company will grow, demand increases and the price rises. If people lose confidence, demand drops and the price falls. It's basic supply and demand mixed with a healthy dose of human emotion. Sometimes stocks go up because a company releases a great product or reports strong profits. Other times they fall because investors panic or react to dramatic headlines. This is why the market can look chaotic in the short term. But over longer periods, the market tends to grow as businesses innovate, expand, and make more money. That's why many investors focus on holding stocks for years instead of trying to predict every daily movement. There are also two main ways investors make money. First, if a stock's price rises and you sell it for more than you paid. Second, through dividends, where some companies share part of their profits with shareholders. So despite the charts, news, and endless financial jargon, the stock market is really just people buying tiny pieces of businesses they believe in. Sometimes they're right. Sometimes they're very wrong. But collectively, it remains one of the main engines of modern economic growth. If you want more simple explainers like this, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next one on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.